60 divided 5 parenthesis 7 minus 5 parenthesis closed. Options are A 10, B 3 factorial, C 24, D 12. What is the answer? Pause the video and let me know answer in the comment section. So how to solve this question? This question, it is based on order of operation, and the order of operation you can remember it through the mnemonic called PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, indices, roots, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now this multiplication, division and this addition, subtraction, they are grouped together. Why? Because they are reciprocal actions, therefore they have equal priority. What does this reciprocal action means? That means if 4 is divided by 2, it means 4 is multiplied to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is reciprocal of 2. So we convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. We write the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 upon 2. So division and multiplication, they are reciprocal action. Same goes for addition and subtraction also. If you add 4 plus minus 2, it is equal to 4 minus 2. So this is how it works. They have equal priority. And to solve the confusion that which operation to do first, we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. But this left to right rule, you must remember that this choice is between multiplication, division. If you get division and addition, then the priority is like this, that we do division first, then addition. Now here, first we will solve the parenthesis as per this PEMDAS. So 60 divided 5, parenthesis 7 minus 5. So write all other operations and numbers as it is. 60 divided 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now once you do the operation within the parenthesis, you have to remove this parenthesis. And when there is no sign here, it is multiplication. So you write multiplication and then 2. Now many write it like this. They write parenthesis and then 2. That means 2 inside the parenthesis. And after that, they confuse this parenthesis as an operation. But remember that this parenthesis, this bracket is not an operation. It is just a way of writing the number which has a relation of multiplication with this 5. It can be an operation only when there is another number and another symbol within this bracket. So this parenthesis does not mean that it is an operation, and we cannot do this giving it a priority before division. So once you have done the operation within the parenthesis, you remove the parenthesis and write the multiplication sign here. Now here, if you just follow the letters in the PEMDAS and you do multiplication first, then you will do 60 divided 5 times 2 is 10, and then 60 divided by 10 is 6. Then you get 6 as your answer. Now here in the option, you can see we have 10, 3 factorial, 24 and 12. 3 factorial means the product of all the positive integers till 3. So 1 times 2 times 3, it is equal to 6. So that means B can be the correct answer. 3 factorial can be the correct answer. But this is not the correct answer because we have to follow the rule of left to right. We cannot do this multiplication first. From left to right, we have division first. So we need to do the division first. So it will be 60 divided by 5, 12, and then times 2. Now 12 times 2 is 24. So correct answer will be C, 24. What is your answer and how did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.